how to go from this to this to this. This is how to make hide glue. Chop it nice and fine and put it into an old saucepan. Add water to cover it. Get it on a heat source. You bring it up to the boil and then just gently turn it down to just ticking over like a simmer. Chuck a lid on. Remember to keep the lid on, you want to stop the moisture escaping. Do check it periodically because sometimes it might just need a little top up. I've just tested some of the liquid and it's just starting to pull my skin now. So what we're going to do is take the lumps out and then reduce it down some more. Pass the liquid through a sieve like this. Yeah, you can tell this is good because some of the bits are sort of slightly tacky on the bottom of the saucepan. I'd perhaps taken this off a little bit earlier actually because it's getting well tacky in there. That's what you're going to end up with. And you let it simmer with the lid off. We're now going to do the last bit of the reduction in a tin can on the stove because this stuff does get gloopy. Another quick sieve won't hurt. There we go, it's now totally set. Now it's cooled. To use it, all you do is just warm it through again and apply it. Make sure it's a very low heat under it when you go to use it again. And there we go, there's 2 scraps of wood I've just stuck together with a little pasting in there. It is actually used commercially as a glue, but it's not good with holding liquids in if you're going to use it for anything like that.